Hi guys, welcome back to the next video, and in this video let's talk about selections. So we touched a little bit about selections when we were covering this section of this sheet, and one of the ways we can make the selection is by just coming over here and selecting what do we want to select over here. So once we do the selection, we have the option of making selections that is related to the first selection that we are making. So that's basically a one way about how you can make the selection within Qliksense, but it is rich in making a selection. How? Let's do that. Let's see that. So second thing is about making a range selection. So for example, I am only interested in this 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I can do is I will just start dragging from there where I started and stopping it over here, right? And I will confirm that by clicking this. So I will make this range selection, right? So that is what I wanted to show you. Generally, you know, this information you will not find it in tutorials, but that's another way of making a selection, right? If I show you another way of making a selection, well, I'll just click over here, which is not a very efficient way in this case, but lasso tool, it is especially useful in cases like where you have scatter chart. But let me show you. I will just start this and start making kind of a selection. So if you see, I'm just making these three selections, right, and confirm that. So this is helpful in making the selection where you have these scatter charts. I'll basically see where my scatter chart is. I will just clear all of that, and let me see if we have created any scatter chart. Yeah, over here we created, but I don't know. It's kind of an image probably. All right. So that's the example of scatter chart, and here performance. All right, so over here I'll just click on this chart and this lasso is now enabled for me. I will just start doing the selection, and over here very custom selection, and make the selection, right? So this way it will show you the filtering of this data like this, and help you make the selection. So that's another way. If I go back and come to the dashboard, another way I can make the selection is, let's say top 10 opportunities, top 10 closed opportunities, all of that. Let's say I am only interested in Q1 2014, so I can just go ahead and click it over here. As I click it on Q1 2014, all of the rest of the charts are populated. But as you can see, there is not a lot of information because there are inside formulas which is not agreeing with the one particular selection. So I will just remove that. But mainly I wanted to show you that you can even select the label from here and make a selection. Even I can just go ahead and select this, and it will populate the rest of the charts or rest of the different charts. So these are like some of the ways in which you can make, and even if you have legends somewhere, you can even click on the legend. So pretty much everything which you see over here is selectable. It's just that with practice, you know, you can do the range selection, you can do the lasso, you can selection from here, from the chart. It's just that whatever question is coming in your mind, based on that, you can start making a selection, and Qliksense will help you to achieve that. So that's pretty much it. I wanted to talk about these different types of selections within Qliksense, and now I'll meet you in the new video topic.